Hi, this is Ranjit from Breakpoint. So today we look at the Breakpoint and its features. So first let me tell you that Breakpoint is a powerful tool that can cater to intraday traders and swing traders as well as the investors. So it has different type of scanners which can help these three type of peoples. So once you log into the portal, the Breakpoint scanner, you will see a dashboard like this, and then on top of it you will see the menus where you will see multiple scanner details. So for the first one, we will look at what is positional scanner. So the positional scanner, we are actually scanning around 2000 plus symbols, and then we also combine 80 plus technical indicators. Along with that, several candlestick patterns. So combining these, we are deriving the results. So along with that, you also have option to filter down further with combo scans, as you see here. So once you select it, the result will change accordingly. Similar to that, we also have an option to filter as candlestick patterns. So once you select the bullish patterns, it will display all the bullish patterns for that particular day. Once you need to clear the filter, you can just simply click on the clear button and it will show you the entire result. So on the front screen, it will show you 200 results, and then once you need to see more, you can click on the next button and then it will show you further results. The positional scan also have various other options like volume based filtering. So once you click on the volume trend, it will show you multiple. And then the next one is MACD trends. So there also you have bullish, bearish, neutral options. So if you need to filter only the bearish, then you will see only the symbols which are bearish. Then if you click on bullish, similarly you will see the symbols which are in bullish mode. So ADX is another indicator. So based on the strength, you can further filter down based on the strong bearish or maybe bearish and all that. So I don't think there is any bullish at the moment based on yesterday's fall. So another option is we have option to filter the stage 2 stocks. So whenever there is a stock goes into the stage 2 mode, we can filter only those stage 2 stocks. So which will be only in uptrend. Another option is insider buy. So about insider buy, I'll explain a bit later. So next scanner would be swing scanner. So swing scanner, we have multiple scan types available. So once you click on this scan type, all scan types, you will see different options available. So based on that, you can filter down further. And there also you can filter based on long and short options. So short is basically for finding the downtrend stocks, but then we would advise you that when you want to short, then it should be either FNO, it should be obviously FNO. Then you also have an option to filter down with MTF option. MTF is like margin trading fund. So if you only wish to trade on MTF enabled stocks, then you can filter based on MTF, and then it will only display a stock with MTF option enabled. And similar way, you can filter with FNO stocks also. So if you only wish to trade on FNO, then that's all. You just need to select this one and it will display only the FNO. So whenever you change these filters, here it will show the display summary. And the next one is cash. Cash is nothing but whatever is not MTF or FNO, it comes as cash. And this one is insider trading. So whenever there is a stock coming with the insider buy, that means the insider like CEO or company executives or some people which is close to the company is buying that stocks in in last maybe 1 or 2 weeks. So those companies will be tagged with the insider buy, and then whenever that results comes in the scanner, it will automatically tag with insider buy. So this will add a conversion to buy. So similar way, you can also filter with the volume filter. So volume filter is something but if you so you see the volume here, right? So there is a multiplier is mentioned. So So 1.2x means it is the above average. So if you want to filter based on multiplier, you can just type in the number. When you type in 2, it is showing above 2x multiplier. And in the search box, you can search for any stocks and then it will show you that result. So, and here you will see something called history. History, you know how the history works like. So, history, I will show you one example, PNB Housing. So, for history, I will show you one example. It's PNB Housing. So PNB Housing, it is appearing in the scan since second, third, and fourth also it is appearing. So let's see the chart. So on second, the price was 893. So 893. So since second, it gave a move of like close to 10% in last 3 days. So this history option will give you an additional confirmation. It has appeared in previous days, so there is a growth. And in the date picker, you can go back to any date and then see the results. And the next scanner is intraday scanner. So in intraday scanner, you have similar options like in swing, but then you will have an additional options which tells you the resistance levels. So here it is showing as resistance 1, 2 and 3 along with the pivot point. So in R1, R2, R3 it is acting as a resistance, so it is an option to book the profits. And the day low also it is showing. So day low, when you have day low, that means that becomes your SL. So in intraday scanner you have two options. That's called ST spot and then level breakout. So any symbols that is displaying on the scan result, you can just simply click on that and then it will open up the trading view chart. And here also, if you want to filter based on the insider buy, you can simply click on it and it will show you only the result based on the insider buy. So these are today's result. So when you click on Senco, let's see the price. So it is at 202.65. It was triggered at 300.30. It's an uptrend. So this one SKM production 189.20. So it is now in 191.77. So it again moved. So this one, what you see here is a Nifty trend overview. What it means is you have an option to understand the Nifty trend without even opening the chart. So based on the calculation which is happening at the back end, it will show you what is the trend in 15 minutes, 1 hour and then 1 day. So here, so based on today's closing price, it is showing you that in 15 minutes it is consolidating, and then in 1 hour it is strong uptrend. But then in 1 day time frame, it is showing as a strong downtrend. And when you click on this, so I'll show you another option feature. We'll go back to the dashboard. Okay, so in the dashboard, you will see an option called Index Trend Dashboard. Once you come here, you will see the trend analysis for two indices. One is for Nifty 50 and then Bank Nifty. So similar to what I explained earlier about the multi-time frame analysis, you will get for two things, Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. So here you can see the trend analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also once you click here, you can open the chart in the trading view. So we have explained about three scanners, which is intraday and swing and then positional, and also we explained about the index trend. So we need to combine this. So whenever you are taking a trade on the intraday, you need to combine this trend based on the shorter time frame, which is in 15 minutes and 1 hour. So what happens is when you combine this with your trade logic, so the reason for having this Nifty trend over here is we need to combine these different time frame analysis, basically 15 minutes and 1 hour. So once you combine it with your trading, what will happen is automatically you will improve your winning percentage. So in a situation like consolidation in 15 minutes, you will wait and then once it show a good trend, like a strong bearish or strong uptrend, you can engage in trading. Now we will go back to the dashboard again, and the next one is insider trading analytics. So insider trading analytics, as I explained earlier, the insider trading means in every company there are executives or promoters, like the company CEO or the company directors, etc. So these people are called promoters. So when they buy or sell, that details will be added here in this page. So how the insider trading will help the retail trader is, so basically insiders will get the details earlier than it go to any news or something. So based on that news or maybe information, they will start to buy or sell the shares. So when you see such actions, that means, or when you see a continuous buy in a company by a promoter, that means that they are interested to buy the shares, hoping that it will go up. By watching this pattern, you can also engage. So that will add a conviction for you to buy, because so if the promoters are buying, then something will be there. So you can further maybe dig down what is going on with the company, or try to add some position in that. So when you go to show analytics, it will give you more information, as in last 1 week or 1 month, 3 months, which all companies promoters are buying and how much they are buying and all that. And here also you will see which category it is buying. Is it promoters, is it promoter group, or employees like CEO or C-level, or another parties. And if you further come down, you will see more details like information such as continuous buying and continuous selling. So how you need to take is, so when you see such things like continuous buying and continuous buying is happening, you can just go to that stock and then see what is happening in that. So if you see continuous buy, something will go up. So how you can check is, you can just come here and then click on any stocks, and then it will show you how it's going up. So it shows that it shows that 7 days there was a continuous buy. So based on these data, if you check any stocks, suppose you have this position, so when you see the continuous buying and selling, that adds a conviction. So if you want to buy a stock which is a promoter is interested, then you can definitely, it's a good sign. Similar way, if it's a continuous selling, that means something is going to happen to that company and the promoters are selling it. So if you have those stocks in your hand, then you can consider selling it. Then the next one is corporate announcements. So when you come to the corporate announcements page, you will see a show filters option. There you can have, there you will have multiple filters. So based on the color coding, if it's a positive news, then that will be color coded with green and then red. So if it's red, then that means it is not good for the company. And similar way, if it's orange, that means it may have a negative impact or maybe no impact at all. So once you have a result, you can click on the document and then it will open up the related news document. And then the last one is a utility option which is called trade diary. So trade diary, you might be already know what is trade diary. You can log all your trades, and then later you can review it and then optimize it, and then come to and you can improve your trading style, strategy and all. So as a normal method, you can add the symbols and then entry price, exit price, and then you can mention long or short. Then you can type in what was the reason for taking this trade, and then you can add the notes as saying that so and so reason I took the trade, and then it was positive results and all. And then once you click on the add trade, that will go to that will save and appear on this one. And so these are the main features on the Breakpoint, and we are still improving and then adding new features every now and then. So you will see more features coming in. So if you have any doubts about this, please feel free to comment under this page and we are happy to answer it. Or if you need to know more details about the scanner or the application or how to subscribe, then you can probably click on the below WhatsApp link and then reach out to us. If you want to access the Breakpoint, you need to go to the URL brkpoint.in. So once you are in the home page, you can go to the login page, and then there you have the option to sign up. So here you will enter your personal details and then click on the sign up. So once you sign up, you will receive an email on your email ID, and then that OTP you need to enter here to further complete the sign up. So once you sign up, you will be redirected to the subscription page where you can subscribe the product for one month or the entire year. Then you can continue using it. So that's all for today about the Breakpoint. If you have any further queries, please reach out to us. Goodbye.